Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is going to be a demo of the Clavinet clone versus a real clavinet. And there's no difference between the tones and the sounds. The only difference is the volume levels might be a little different, but with the Clavinet clone, you can adjust any note you want. You can adjust the volume for each and individual note separately, so you can really tweak this thing however you want to. So if there's one or two notes that stand out, adjust it, fix it. So let's take a look at the dry tone. So, yeah, I mean, the volume might be a little different. I mean, this all depends on the velocity of your keyboard. And like I said, you can tweak any note. So let's show you. I'll show you. Here, check it out. Let's say I want this C. Let's just say this C is too loud. So I can turn it down just slightly. Or I can turn it up. And this happens naturally with strings because some of them might be closer to a pickup. The pickup might be working better in certain areas. And there's two, big pickups in here. So there's, lots going on with why it can sound different. But this is about as close as you're going to get. Let's take a look at the wah pedal sound. All right, let's dirty that up even more here. Let's put some sort of distortion on that. Let's go like this. I could literally switch between the two and you wouldn't even really notice. I mean, close your eyes and turn them around and don't look at the screen and tell me if you can hear a difference. Exactly the same. So the Clavinet clone is truly the best clavinet sound that you're going to get. Night and day between all the others, and it's got a much bigger sample library, and you should really check this thing out. It's the best. Thank you for watching.